I just received this battery operated wall light fixture for my review, and this thing, first of all, is beautiful. Second of all, this is not my first rodeo. I've tested these before, and this is the first of its kind, and I'll show you why. Now, first of all, it does come completely disassembled, just like that. So you've got that nice little touch right here. This is literally just for the design, right? When this is added, you've got 17 inches from top to bottom. And then you've got this one right here that it also comes apart, right? Now, the reason why I say it's one of a kind, because it's an LED light, and I'll show you the LED light right here. So the LED light is right there. And usually in the past, the ones I've tried before, you would have to take the lamp out, the light bulb out, and then literally plug the light bulb. It would have a little USB-C on it, and then boom, you have to plug it back and then reinstall it. Well, that's a little annoying, right? Now this one here looks like the light, the bulb is going into a light fixture that looks like real. And I'll show you what I mean by real. There you go. Look at this. It looks like a real light bulb, right? So this is powered from somewhere, but where? I'll show you. It's pretty cool. So as you install it, there is a wire that runs right through here, right here, and then you literally connect this to this end right here, and I'm going to do that right now, and then literally just screw that in, just like that, and we are screwed in. I'm going to screw this one back in because I like the look of it. And by the way, this obviously is the gold one, but it also comes in black, and I think it's gorgeous on both colors. And then check this out. Right here is where you actually have the USB-C. So you plug it in, there's a battery right here, there's a battery on there, and the whole wiring system is literally going to go USB-C to the light bulb, which I think is great. And you also have a little sensor right there, so if you want to have it turn on or whatever, you know, dusk to dawn type of thing, you can. And then there's a little button that I can turn on right here. But they also add, and they give you a, with the battery already in the little remote, you can control it via remote. So I can literally, and I'll show you like this, off, on, I can go, let's go on, I can go intensity level all the way high up. I can change color, so it is bicolor, so I can go warm, I can go bicolor, and I can go full bright, just like that. The other cool thing that I like, it's a different type of lampshade because it's not translucent. The light is not coming out of here, and as you can see in the B-roll, the light actually just looks like a beautiful kind of lantern-like lamp. It's a gorgeous little thing. And the cool thing is that you don't need any wiring in the wall because the hardware that they include, look at this, super easy bracket to install. You install that little bracket to your wall, and all you need to do is put it on, hold, and it literally holds. It's very, very light as well, which is great. But yeah, looks fantastic. Will literally spruce up any type of room that you install it in.